even start this? Hello? We need to talk. Basically, it's my last day living in my new apartment. Right. I know what you're thinking. Girl, didn't you just move in like 2 months ago? This is true. You are telling the truth. If you're unaware, basically, I am living in my new apartment that I completely renovated from scratch. We demolished everything, redid the floors, the walls, had 2 floodings, fire, earthquake, all the freaking natural disasters. And then it was finally ready to be moved into like a year later. So I was like, oh my God, I can't believe this day came. So I moved in, hauled all my shit here from home, and I've been living here since, I wanna say January? And today it is currently March 31st. I have lots to do before my flight tomorrow. I need to clean my apartment because it is currently looking like a construction zone once again. I just finished so many DIYs for this apartment. I just finished a bedroom makeover. I finished the TV because I had to get a bunch of videos done before I leave. I've kind of been working like a madman for these past 5 days. I filmed like 5 videos in the past 5 days, girl. I'm lacking sleep. Hey Siri, play Counting Sheep by Gen Z. Anyway, and I also have to pack. Let's get to cleaning and I'll tell you more about what's going on. Now, why am I leaving? Girl, you just moved in here. Let me tell you. Essentially, a couple months ago, when it was like the dead of winter, super rainy, depressing, seasonal depression vibes. In Vancouver, it's basically raining for like 70% of the year, and especially in winter, it's really sad and cold and wet. So during this time, I was like, I need to get the hell out of Vancouver. I don't want to be here. I wasn't living in my apartment yet, and I was like, I just can't see myself liking living here. So I booked the longest trip ever out of town to an undisclosed location. Well, the cops are about to arrest me for being a dumb bitch. Anyway, I booked a trip, and so I will be leaving my apartment for 3 months, which is longer than I've lived in this apartment. See, at the time, I really wanted to not be here, but now that I'm actually living here and the weather's getting better, it's sunny, and like I'm decorating and all that kind of stuff, this place is starting to feel like home. And I'm like, wait, why am I leaving? But my flights are booked, my apartments are booked, so I need to pack, I need to clean, and I need to get the out of my home that I've barely lived in. It's time to pack, and I'm procrastinating. I've been procrastinating for a couple hours because I don't know where to start to pack for a 3-month trip. Listen, I have to pack for 2 separate seasons, maybe even 3. It's currently winter right now, but where I'm going, it turns really hot. So it's gonna be spring and then like the start of summer. So how the hell am I gonna pack for 3 seasons in 2 suitcases? I also have a lot of clothes. Like, do I bring jackets? Do I need jackets? Should I just freeze my ass off? I'm not really sure. One thing is for sure, I need to bring my F1 jacket because I literally have been living in this and it's surprisingly warm. So I think this will be my winter jacket. I don't know what to do. What do I really need? Mostly clothes. Everything else will be in like the Airbnb, I think. I need camera equipment, that kind of stuff. Should I just start putting shit in and then see where it goes? I think that's a good plan. Do I bring my cloud jacket? I mean, like, wear it a lot. I guess I could wear it to the airport. Cause I can't travel without my cloud jacket. That's a sin. I have to bring my jean jacket because this is like my staple outerwear. Also, my friends are in the other room watching Heartstopper because I'm procrastinating and they're keeping me on track. My color is blue and I stick to it. I love this sweater jacket thing. And then this cropped hoodie. Do I need this? Leather jackets? Guys, what do we think?
But like, I feel like the leather might be a bit more versatile because it's black, so you can pair with more things.
I'll go with the leather one. I do not know how to focus on one thing at a time. I'm trying to decide on which glasses to bring. I have this option, sleek, scientist. This is the pair that I wear most. Simple, lightweight. And then And I have my pair of glasses that when I look really ugly and I'm like trying to distract everyone away from my face. Maybe I'll bring these two. Okay, I'll do these two. And also, I finally restocked on contacts. I ran out like a year ago. I usually don't wear glasses even though I'm supposed to. Here's the thing though. My eyesight over the years has gotten better. I used to have a prescription of -2.75 and now it's at 1.25. Tell me the logic behind this, because I probably do the worst things to my eyes. I literally watch Netflix in the dark on a tiny phone like every night. So how many do I really need though? Wait. Okay. This area of my closet is where I'm gonna struggle the most because these are all the clothes that I wear the most. It's like shirts. I really basically only wear 2 pair of pants. I alternate between this pair of jeans and my sweats, and I just wash them both. Look how cute this top is. I can't wait to wear summer clothes because summer is my favorite season. I feel like this is kind of like a duplicate. But I'm not going somewhere beachy, so do I need like a crochet? Yeah, I'll bring this. This is cute. Should I bring this dress? Yeah, I'll bring this. Do you need this white shirt? Yeah, I need this white shirt. I need this white shirt. Do I need this white dress? We already know the answer. If you don't know the answer by now, everything white is just coming into the suitcase. I'm skipping this white item, which is kind of rare for me. Is this very... Oh, I just said the city where I'm going. By the time you're seeing this video, I will have been in this new location for a long time already. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would know where I am. So if you want to be up to date on where I am, because I'm going to 2 different cities, you should follow me on Instagram at JENerationDIY. Also, my junk account, Generation Junk. That's where all the real shit goes down. Summer dress, definitely. I don't want to pack too many sweaters because I'm gonna have absolutely no use for them once summer hits. But for the summer clothes, I can like layer together. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring this because, oh, it's so dirty though. But I wear this all the time. Love this shirt. Oh, definitely need this jumpsuit. Oh, my singular clubbing dress. For sure bringing this. Dude, my suitcase is filling up so fast. Do I need a red dress? Do I need a nice dress for anything? I don't know. Okay, consensus is in. I was like, should I bring my bridesmaid's dress? And my friend was like, why? You going to a wedding or something? I was like, actually, you're right. Because I'm packing for 3 months. So this means that I should probably just pack basics. And if there's like a special occasion that I need to dress for, I can probably just thrift for a thing instead of wasting precious cargo space. I love this shirt. Gotta bring this. Yeah. Oh my God, this is my avatar outfit. You know how people are like, oh, don't outfit repeat? I am a huge proponent for wear the same outfit every day. I have this avatar outfit. So I literally wear this with my blue Aritzia shorts and my jean jacket or my cloud jacket. And it's all blue. Boy, oh my God, my knees, my knees, my knees. Do you think I need my heart shirt?
Are you gonna wear it?
Like I could.
You could, but are you gonna?
I don't know. Okay, fine, I won't bring it. I'm struggling so hard. Like, it doesn't actually look that good on me, but it's like cool. Okay, maybe I just won't bring it.
If you're doubting, then don't bring it.
Okay, you're right. But I'm bringing so many like summer clothes. I don't even know if it's, I mean, it'll be hot.
The thing is, the fundamentals of a spring outfit is summer clothes with just something over. And you brought some things that you can put over.
Do I need this?
I've never seen you wear that.
I wear it for like night out vibes, but I don't know if it's very... Maybe I can thrift for a...
That's what I said earlier about the exact same situation.
I have to bring this. This is very like... T-shirt. This is cute!
No, it's cute, but is it...
I like...
If you like it, then bring it, yeah.
I don't like wear basics. The basics that I wear, that one white long sleeve.
Yeah, okay.
And that green long
Don't bring the other basics.
Okay, you're right.
You're not gonna suddenly change your fashion style because you go on this trip.
Like I want to. Okay, I need this.
That's cute.
Lingerie dress.
Yeah, lingerie.
For... It doesn't actually like fit me that well though.
Then don't.
Okay. Okay, if I'm bringing this shirt, then I don't need this. Right?
It's different.
It is different.
That's like a casual one. This is like you can dress that up if you want.
Where am I going though? Ah, see, I just can't gauge what the temperature is. Wait, I'm only bringing my F1 cloud and jean jacket.
Okay.
So I have to wear my F1 everywhere. I could just wear my cloud.
Yeah, that's what your cloud is for, right? To stay warm.
It's not like formal.
Well, where are you going?
I don't know. What if I go on dates?
Be cold. I don't know.
Hose don't
get cold. Yeah.
But that's
I
like
feel
basically...
like what you should do right now is just like roll up your fundamentals. Like the things that you are certain you're gonna bring, just like do that.
I just have my Air Forces and then my chunkies.
Okay, which
And
ones
then
are you
these.
wearing on the plane?
Air Forces.
Okay, so your chunkies are quite a bit, so you
Yeah.
should put that in here first.
And then I have to bring my workout set, my cardigan. What should I wear to the airport? Jeans or...
Yeah, decide that first.
Okay.
What's your biggest one? Is this actually, I feel like this is actually bigger than that, right? Because
What?
if this takes up
Air
more
Force.
space, then you should wear this on the plane.
Yeah. But this is a cute, like...
Nobody's looking at you.
What am I fine? I love my life on the airplane. Don't deny me for my Wattpad fiction, okay?
It hasn't happened the past 10 times you've gone to the airport. It's not gonna happen this
So
time.
maybe if I change my outfit, they'll notice
That's
me.
you're trying too fucking hard.
Right, I need to go
Yeah.
slum. I need to slum
Have you
it
been
more.
thinking about that every single time you go on the plane? Like, oh, I need to look
Yeah, I need
cute?
slay. I'll go max comfy.
Yeah, go sweats.
Okay.
Also, you need to pack your socks and your underwear. There's so much.
I pack so much shit.
Oranges.
Wow, thank you. Well, why does it have no skin?
Because it peeled the skin off.
Have you ever seen oranges in real life?
Wait,
These
let's
are
take a
naked.
photo. I feel like this is too luxurious.
Wait,
Like,
did
peasant.
you wash them?
Mhm.
Dude, they taste like water.
I'm bringing these. I'm bringing sexy back.
Okay, pants time. Oh, these are already locked and loaded to be stacked. Is this? It's like a long skirt.
Okay, I think that's very.
Yeah. Oh, definitely need these. Oh yeah, definitely need these too. Hello. I basically finished packing my suitcases of all my clothes, and surprisingly, everything fits. I'm now in my bathroom and I'm gonna pack all my skincare and stuff. I also am getting pretty tired, but it's a lot earlier than I anticipated because I think it's like 2:30 or something. But usually when I have a flight the next day, I just like don't sleep at all the night before because I just procrastinate and I'm like, oh, I have time, whatever, I'll just sleep on the plane. And then when I get on the plane, I look like ass. Actually, probably worse than ass, like poopy ass, like pee pee poo poo ass. And I don't feel good. So actually having my friends here forcing me to be like, Jennifer, like get the fuck up, you need to pack, has been really helpful. If you guys have heard of body doubling, it's just like having somebody there is like so helpful to me because multiple people have told me this in the past where they're just like watching me do something like pack or get ready, and like in my head I think I'm going so fast or like moving at a normal speed, and they'll be like, dude, you move so slow, and I'm like, really? It's actually the craziest thing. Anyway, I'm gonna pack these in a little packing cube. Body lotion, dry shampoo. Is this gonna explode? These are so blessed because sometimes my ear will get infected. So I got these cleaning swabs, but you like basically snap the Q-tip so that the liquid like goes into the swab, so you don't have to like buy saline solution. Comb, deodorant. Oh my god, I get it now. I get it now. I'm literally standing here doing nothing. Okay, the thing is, I need to use all of these. Oh, why don't I just get ready for bed and then throw all my skincare in? Actually, that's a smart idea. Okay, wait, I have stuff in these drawers too. Teeth whitening strips? Sure. How often are you supposed to change out razor heads? Little patches. Curling iron. Do I need this? Do I bring pads or do I buy pads? Oh, I'll just bring them. Dude, I can't believe I'm leaving. I don't know, it feels really weird. There was a time when I was so excited to be going where I'm going. Again, follow me on Instagram at JENerationDIY to see where I am. But I don't know, it feels kind of bittersweet. But either way, the tickets are booked. Oh, actually, this is a funny story. So I am super last minute procrastinate with everything. And so like however many days you give me, I will work till the literal last minute of that. So I had a bunch of videos lined up to film this week before I left. And of course I always like plan to not finish at the literal last minute, but here I am. Last night I was scrambling so hard to finish these videos, and I actually got way more done than I thought I was going to, but I still had so much more to do. And it was like past midnight at this point, and then I check my email. I get an email from Air Canada saying, we're monitoring your weather conditions for your flight, but if you so choose, you have an option to change your flight for free within the next 7 days. And I was like, girl, how did I deserve this amazing karma? Because an extra day is exactly what I needed. So I scurried on over and I changed my flight to the next day at the exact same time. So today was the day that I was actually supposed to fly out, but it turned into a bonus day where I could get all the things I needed to get done and be able to sleep a little bit last night. So today was bonus time and I was so thankful for it. I am obviously pretty sad to be leaving, but I booked this trip for a reason, and I think it'll be good for me to get out of the city for a while and have a change of pace, see a bunch of my friends that I haven't seen in a while, because this year my plan was to travel a bunch to figure out where in the world I want to end up and where I like living, because I do really like Vancouver as a place to settle down and like have family and all that kind of stuff, but that's gonna be a while from now, and I just want to, you know, travel while I'm young and while I still have the freedom to. I don't have anything tying me down. I don't have a husband and kids or a wife and a dog, you know what I mean? And as much as I think I'm gonna end up back in Vancouver, who knows? Maybe I'll end up really liking one of these cities that I'm going to. I'm kind of in this phase in my 20s where I'm accepting that things are turbulent and that I'm figuring things out, because I think earlier on in my 20s, I was like, oh my god, like, I don't know who I am, what's happening, why am I going through all these changes? And now I'm kind of accepting the fact that it's okay to be chaotic. I might be the most chaotic person in my friend group, and I'm okay with it. You know, I kind of just want to be in my messy phase, make mistakes, because literally what's the worst that can happen? We're all literally just specks of dust floating in the universe, so nothing really matters in the end. So do whatever you want to do to make yourself happy. We only have this one life, so you might as well do what you want. And things might seem so significant at the time, but it'll all pass. We're all gonna die eventually, so why not make the most of life while you still can? I really did not think that I was gonna go into full inspiration mode, but here we are. I have to use my eyelash serum that literally has changed my entire life. I've been slowly influencing all my friends to get this because they've been like, whoa, are those your real eyelashes? And I'm like, yeah, I grew them myself. Everybody thinks that I'm wearing falsies, but no, it's just eyelash serum. It's amazing. I'll link it below. It literally changed my life.
Commodity. Come here, you.
I can't believe we finished the whole show in one night.
I know. It's giving a summer to a pretty.